Hola, ¿cómo está?
Estoy bien.
¿Dónde vivías?
A Buenos Aires.
¿Por cuánto tiempo?
2 años.
Eso, mira nomás, este habla español.
Okay, lesson number 6. Now that you know how to ask people to repeat themselves more slowly, the next thing that's going to happen naturally is you're going to want to do that as best as possible. However, at times, you're going to get a look like, huh? What? Like, I don't get it. No entiendo. But that's okay, because you're learning. So in order to confirm if you said something right, this is what you can ask. Ye kong tu nye fai? If you did, then their reply will be kong tu nye or tu nye. If you didn't, you're probably just going to keep getting that look like, huh? What? Ye kong tu nye fai?